variable point is there that moves in such a way so that its distance from first line and its distance from second line, when they are added, it gives 10 always. And in the question itself, the coordinates of x, p are given x comma y. One more word, locus, is also used as synonym of path. Okay. So the way to find out the path or the equation of the path of p is this, that whose path we have to find, that coordinate should be assumed x comma y. Here in the question itself, it is given x comma y. Very nice. Suppose not given, we would have assumed let the path of coordinates of this moving point are x comma y. Then establish a relation between x and y. The equation between x and y will be only the path of this point P. So we have to bring one equation between x and y, and because we have to show that path of P is a straight line, that equation must be a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation means its degree should be 1. Okay? It should not contain x square, xy kind of terms. Its degree should be 1. तो कैसे निकालें? और वो दोनों के बीच x एंड y के बीच रिलेशन निकालने के लिए हमारे पास एक इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है p1 plus p2 equal to 10, and you must know this formula. This formula is the distance of point x1 comma y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So let us apply this formula. Let me calculate p1. This is the distance of px comma y from the line, first line, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So apply the formula. This is going to be 1 as it is, and in place of x, the x coordinate, x only will come, plus 1y minus 5 magnitude divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square. Okay. Similarly, p2 also you can write. P2 is the distance of point pxy from the other line, and if you write p2, this is going to be modulus of 3x minus 2y plus 7 whole upon root of 3 square plus minus 2 whole square. Right. Now let us use this given fact and be ready to suggest to students. Watch carefully, note carefully, and let us see what to do next. Given that p1 plus p2 equal to 10, so it means that magnitude of x plus y minus 5 whole upon root 2 plus magnitude of 3x minus 2y plus 7 whole upon, this is how much, students? Can you solve it and tell me this is how much? Root of 9 plus 4, 13. Root 13 is equal to 10. Students, what should we do next? Suggestion, please. Keep remember the target in mind. The target is that we have to bring the path of P is a straight line. It means that the relation between x and y should be a linear equation. Okay. Any suggestion? Any comments from anyone? Students. Modulus, two modulus are appearing here, and if you remove modulus, plus minus sign will occur. Right? I can write one more step. Plus minus x plus y minus 5 whole upon root 2 plus minus 3x minus 2y plus 7 whole upon root 13 equal to 0, equal to 10, sorry. Students, these 2 times plus minus are appearing. It means that 4 cases will generate. How 4? Plus plus, one equation, then plus minus, another equation, minus, and here plus, one more equation, and both terms minus minus, fourth case. So 4 cases will generate, but whatever be the case, if you simplify by taking LCM, etc., x and y, this is a linear equation only you will get. Right? So need not to solve it, because we don't have to find equation, we just have to prove that it will be a straight line. So simply write in words that since on solving it, 4 cases will occur, and they all will give linear equations. That's it. Linear equations means their degree will be 1. Linear equations. And that's it. So in all the cases, so path of P will be a straight line. Right? So need not to find it unless it is written in the question, because it will consume time. Not needed. We just have to ensure that it's on simplification, its equation will be a linear equation, 2 variable. वो यहाँ से दिख ही रहा है, ठीक है? That's it. Let us move towards the next question. I hope you must have got it. Moving towards the next question, someone, Adhyan Sharma, will you read the next question? It was question 20, 21st question पे बात करते हैं. Yes, Adhyansh. 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute are there. Equidistant from two parallel lines. Equidistant. Let me draw the figure first. So there are two parallel lines. It means Aditya, sorry, Adhyansh. Which question number it is? 21st. Yeah. So the question is that there are two parallel lines. Okay. Now Adhyansh, can you tell me their equations? Okay. Check on the board that I have written correct. Okay, now you read the question again. Okay, so we have to find the equation of a line which is always equidistant from these two parallel lines, right? So I think that equidistant, that line must pass through exact middle of these two, isn't it? So its equation only we have to determine, isn't it? So let it be line number 1, let it be line number 2. And how to get? How to get? D1 equals to D2. D1 equals to D2. लेकिन एक चीज, then two methods are there, students. One method is that its equation we have to find. Let us assume a general point P on this line. Let it be x comma y. Its distance from line 1 you calculate, its distance from line 2 you calculate. And one more very important thing, that because these two lines on the other side, opposite sides, so if D1 and D2, you should not take modulus sign, remove modulus, and for one side you should take plus sign and other side you should take minus sign. You can say D1 equal to minus D2 you should take. Okay, it will give you answer. समझे? एक दूसरा तरीका मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. क्या करते हैं, एक्स वाई एक्सिस एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. चलो मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया. अब ये लाइंस एग्जैक्ट ग्राफ नहीं है, सिंबॉलिक है, कहीं से भी पास हो, डजंट मैटर. लेट ऑन वाई एक्सिस, और एक्स एक्सिस पे भी ले सकते थे. लेट ऑन वाई एक्सिस फर्स्ट लाइन कट्स एट ए, सेकंड लाइन कट्स एट बी, एंड दिस इन बिटवीन पॉइंट इज पी. ठीक है? Okay, so desired equation, equation of desired line we can write like this. Equation of line passing through one point, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. तो इस मेथड से कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? d1 equal to minus d2 मेथड से भी आप कर सकते हैं. You can give a try yourself. So let it be a, let it be b, let it be p. Figure please you draw, because I am not writing much, only in terms of figures, the symbols which we have mentioned, that only I am using. So to write the equation of our desired line, this dotted line, we need m, we need a point through which that our desired line passes. So slope of desired line will be same as the slope of given lines. So what is the formula when the lines equation are given ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form? Baladitya, what is the slope of this line, given line? Baladitya, what is the slope of line 1? Or any student, मुझे बताए कि what is the slope of this line?
-3/2.
-3/2, because this formula is m is given by minus a upon b, where a is x multiplier, b is y multiplier. So here it will come, m1 will be -9/6, which means -3/2. m2 is also -3/2. Slopes are equal and they are parallel, so the slopes must be equal. And the same slope your desired line will also have, -3/2. दिस इज एक काम तो चल गया. अब वो डिजायर्ड पॉइंट जिससे हमारी लाइन पास हो रही है वो हम P निकालेंगे. तो पहले हम A निकालते हैं, फिर हम B निकालते हैं और फिर हम P निकालेंगे. A कैसे निकालेंगे? फॉर लाइन 1, putting this is point on y axis, x equal to 0, putting x equal to 0. In line 1 you put x equal to 0, so 9 into 0 plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0, it will give you y equal to 7 upon 6. So A coordinates will be 0, 7 upon 6. And in line 2, putting y equal to 0. So sorry, x equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0 in line 2, this will give me 3 into 0 plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, which means y equal to -3. Correct, है ना? Y equal to -3. So B coordinates will become 0, -3. And note that P is midpoint of AB, isn't? P is a midpoint of AB. So B coordinates will be here 0, -3. And this will give you A coordinates will be 0, 7/6. Since P is midpoint of AB, it means that P equals to 0, y1 plus y2 whole by 2, 7/6 minus 3 whole by 2. This will be how much? So P is equal to 0, students, how much? 7 minus 18.
11.
नहीं, -11 by 2 है ना? नहीं, -11 by 2 नहीं, -11 by 12. So point I got, slope I have, use this. So use this. So equation of desired line will be y minus plus 11 by 12 equal to -3 by 2, x minus 0. Simplify. 12 से थ्रू आउट मल्टीप्लाई कराता हूँ. 12y plus 11 equal to -12 upon 2, 6 into 3, 18x. And check the answer, please, students. This is the answer. I hope it should be right. Check the answer. Adhyansh, is this right? You tell. Adhyansh. Yes. Okay. So this was question number 21. So देखा आपने कि ये entirely different approach है. एक बार हमने d1 equal to -d2 यूज करने मॉडल्स में लगाइएगा जब d1 equal to -d2 करें. एक वहां से एक आंसर आ सकता है और एक आंसर एक एंटायरली डिफरेंट अप्रोच से. तो अपने दिमाग की खिड़कियां खुली रखिए और हो सकता है कि इसमें और भी बहुत सारे मेथड्स पॉसिबल हो. ठीक है. और मुझसे शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा अगर आपने किसी और इंटरेस्टिंग मेथड से इसको सॉल्व किया है. यस, कांस्टेंट टर्म को डायरेक्ट 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं तब भी आ जाएगा. पहले हाँ, -7, एक मिनट. दिस विल बी -3 से डिवाइड करा दूं तो ये इक्वेशन बन जाएगी पहली वाली 3x प्लस 2y -7/3. फिर दोनों का हाफ कर दें. दूसरी इक्वेशन है ये, कांस्टेंट c1 प्लस c2 होल बाई 2 कर लें. ऐसा कह रहे हो तन्मय? हाँ बिल्कुल, तो उससे भी शायद आपका इक्वेशन बन जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये बात भी हम ध्यान रखेंगे कि दो पैरेलल लाइंस गिवन है और उनके एग्जैक्ट मिडिल से पास होने वाली इक्वेशन निकालनी है. डू जस्ट डू c1 प्लस c2 होल बाय 2, बट एंश्योर बिफोर दैट कि दिस a एंड b शुड बी सेम. गुड तन्मय. ठीक है, हमें काम आएगा एटलीस्ट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के, तो डायरेक्ट हम आंसर कर सकते हैं. 22nd क्वेश्चन पे बात करते हैं. समवन प्लीज रीड 22nd क्वेश्चन. ज्योति मीना, आर यू देयर? डिड यू रीड क्वेश्चन 22nd? Jyoti, Jyoti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Jyoti, are you following this? Are you getting this all questions?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो 22nd, which question? 20?
Yes.
22nd, no? Please read 22nd.
A ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on the x
Okay.
reflect on the axis at point A, and the reflected ray passes through the point 5, 3. Find the
Okay.
coordinates of A.
Okay. 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 So one ray is coming, and it passes through which point while incidenting? It comes from which point, Jyoti?
1, 2.
1, 2. Okay. Any name is given? No name.
No, sir.
Okay. And it intersects x-axis at point A, and then it gets reflected. Is this? And after getting reflected, it passes through which point, Jyoti?
5, 3.
5, 3. 5, 3 is somewhere here. So it passes through the point 5, 3. थोड़ा सा फिगर में लगे भी तो 5, 3 इससे ऊपर होगा. Okay, this is 5, 3. Names were not given of these points. I'm giving the names. Let it be P, let it be Q. This point is A. And Jyoti, what is the question actually?
To find the coordinates of A.
To find the coordinates of A. This is the question. Now your suggestion, please. Students, any suggestion? In this question also different methods should be possible. Any suggestion, student? But I would like to hear you from you people.
So we can draw perpendicular from A.
We can draw Gorvi. We can draw perpendicular from A. We have drawn. Then we have drawn. After that,
Then the
Sir, angle of
angle.
incidence.
this angle will be equal. Incidence
Yes,
angle,
sir.
and what we can call the other one, angle of
Reflected angle.
reflection. No, both must be equal. Must be equal. चलो ये मेथड फॉलो करते हैं. पहले तो कैपिटल ए कोऑर्डिनेट्स एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. हाउ शुड आई एज्यूम द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ कैपिटल ए?
Small a comma 0.
समथिंग कॉमा 0. लेट इट बी a कॉमा 0. मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया. नाउ थिंग इज दैट नॉर्मल जो बेसिक फिजिक्स कहती है कि दिस इंसिडेंस एंगल विल बी सेम एज रिफ्लेक्टिंग वन. सो दिस इफ इट इज थीटा, दिस मस्ट बी थीटा. देन ये एक स्लोप निकालने का हमारे पास एक तरीका है. दैट स्लोप tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1, है ना. तो इस तरह से हम tan थीटा निकालते हैं. एंड थीटा यहां पे होता है एंगल फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस. ठीक है, चलो पहले तो ए एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. लेट कैपिटल ए कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर a, 0. Then slope of PA will be equal to tan. How much, students, for PA? How much this angle from positive x-axis is how much? I think
So 2 minus 0 divided by 1 minus a.
this will be, I think this is 2 theta. No, I should say like this. This is 90 and this is theta. This will be 90 plus theta. This is 90 with positive x-axis. This is 90 and this is theta. So 90 plus theta. And by doing y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, if you calculate, it will be 0 minus 2 upon a minus 1. Right? So it means that 90 plus theta is minus cot theta is equal to minus 2 upon a minus 1, which means cot theta is equal to 2 upon a minus 1. Conclusion number 1. Okay. Now slope of, similarly, I think slope of the other line, this also will give you some equation. QA will be equal to tan. For this, how much should be the angle from positive x-axis? This angle I have to find. The entire one is 90. This is theta, so this should be 90 minus theta, and this is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 5 minus a, which means tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to 3 upon 5 minus a. Conclusion 2. And how to eliminate theta in between equation 1 and 2? You should know. Students, what to do? बोलना है, students. You have to be enthusiastic. What should I do to eliminate theta? कुलदीप शाकिवाल, क्या करूं मैं?
सर इक्वेट.
इक्वेट कर दूं, सिंपल है. उसमें क्या है? तो इक्वेट कर देते हैं from 1 and 2. So 2 upon, and I will get a, hopefully. So this will become 10 minus 2a equal to 3a minus 3. So a is equal to 5a is equal to 10 plus 3, 13. A is equal to 13 by 5. Check the answer, please. So Jyoti, will you check the answer? So capital A coordinates will be 13 by 5 comma 0. Yeah. Jyoti, please check. Is this right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So somebody suggested this method. Perhaps Gorvi suggested this method. Right. Any other method? This is a good question. Any other method, students? Any more suggestions, students? I'll be happy to hear from you. So here we found the slopes of these two rays, and we just got the value of cot theta from both the slopes, and we equated and we got these coordinates. One more way is there. See, one more way for the same question. That also is quite interesting. Ways that let us do one thing. This will not be needed then. Let us assume its reflection, assuming x-axis as mirror. So its image you'll get like this, right? Exactly below this q, you'll get q dash, right? And can you tell me what should be q dash coordinates? Can someone tell me what should be q dash coordinates?
So 5 comma minus 3.
5 comma minus 3. There is no doubt about it. Basic physics principle says this only, that if this is 5 comma 3, this image will lie exactly at the equal distance below x-axis, and this will be 5 comma minus 3. Now let us get the equation of pq dash. PQ dash. What should be the equation of PQ dash? What should I write? Neha, what should I write? Equation of PQ dash? Neha, are you there? Neha is not there. Anyone from C section? Karthik, are you there? Karthik Verma, will you tell me equation of PQ dash? No response. Abid, Mohammad Abid, are you there? Mohammad Abid is also yes. Abid, are you? Can you tell me equation of line joining 1, 2, and 5, comma minus 3? Yes, tell me. Put the values. Put the values. Yes. Yes. है ना? देखा स्टूडेंट्स? तो जिसको आता है वो भी अगर रिप्लाई ना करे तो हेजिटेशन होती है, इसलिए एंथुसियाज्म हाई लेवल का रखना है। तुरंत मैंने कहा उधर तुरंत रिस्पांस आना है ना? वरना आपकी वो रिस्पांस देने की कैपेसिटी जो है वो कुंद होती जाएगी। -5/4 x -1 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करा देता हूं, and this will give me 4y -8 minus equal to -5x plus 5, taking all the things in one side. 5x plus 4y equals to 13. Now somebody suggests me to get capital A coordinates. What should I do? Can someone tell me? To get yes, Adyansh, y equals to 0 I should put, because this line is cutting x-axis at capital A, coordinates a comma 0. So for capital A comma 0, putting y equal to 0, and you'll get like this. So here you get capital A coordinates 13/5 comma 0. Simple. So this method also was quite simple. वो तो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने में इतने 2-3 मिनट से कंज्यूम कर लिए, अदरवाइज तो आप बहुत ओरली भी इसको कर सकते हैं, isn't it? This is equation. This was question number 22nd. Let us move towards question number 23rd, and someone please read. Netra, will you read question 23rd?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Prove that the product of the length of perpendiculars drawn from the points root of a square minus b square comma 0 and minus of root a square minus b square comma 0 to the line x comma a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta equals to 1 is b square.
Can you repeat the line?
X upon a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta equals to 1 is b square.
Equals to 1 is b square.
Sir, it is multiplied to the root x upon a into cos theta.
Okay. So multiply में है. Okay. Okay. So they are saying this is equation of line 1, and there are 2 points P and Q with these coordinates, and they are saying that find the distance of point P from this line, find the distance of point Q from this line, multiply them, and it is equal to b square. We have to prove that it is b square. So distance, let us find the distance of P from line 1. Let us find out the distance. Then similarly, distance from point Q to this line we'll find. We'll multiply them, and we have to prove that product is b square. This is the question. So if you apply ax1 plus by1 plus c whole upon root a square plus b square, this distance of P from this line will be P1 will be how much? You should remember this formula. You should remember this formula. So we take the equation of line, we write x multiplier as it is, and in place of x, x coordinate comes of the point. This is plus 0, 1 taking in left side, minus 1 magnitude, divided by root of x multiplier whole square, cos square theta whole upon a square plus sin square theta whole upon b square. Okay, if simplification, then taking LCM here, and this will give me AB will go in numerator. So AB multiplied with cos theta root a square minus b square upon a minus 1. Okay, whole magnitude is there. Then root of b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Okay, this is. So a get cancelled, taking LCM, then P1 will be b cos theta into root of a square minus b square minus ab whole upon root of b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. This is P1. Similarly, we can write the other one similarly because the point Q coordinates are quite similar. Only thing, in place of this root a square minus b square, here it is minus root a square minus b square. So just in place of this root, you write minus root of a square minus b square, and that will be P2. So writing directly using similarly. Similarly, distance of point Q, whose coordinates are root of a square minus b square comma 0 from line 1. This is P2 will be b cos theta into minus in front I'm taking root of a square minus b square minus ab whole upon root of b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Okay, whole magnitude is there. So whether I write or I forget to write, the magnitude is there. Now P1 into P2, let us calculate. We have to prove it is b square. So let us put the value of P1 and P2 and multiply them. Both in denominator contain roots. So denominator root into root will become direct b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, and in numerator b cos theta root a square minus b square minus ab into minus b cos theta root a square minus b square minus ab. So you can see that if I take this minus common and I mix it here, ab minus b cos theta root a square minus b square into ab plus b cos theta root a square minus b square whole upon b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. So in numerator you can see this is x minus y into x plus y. Is this, students? This is x minus y into x plus y equal to x square minus y square. Let us do a square b square minus b square cos square theta into a square minus b square. Root will disappear. I have done x minus y into x plus y is x square minus y square whole upon as it is. Keep remember our target. Our target is to bring this entire multiplier is equal to P1 P2 equal to b square. Okay, let us see. I think b square can be taken common. In the bracket we'll get a square minus a square cos square theta plus b square out, a square minus a square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta. Whole upon, as it is, b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. And between first two terms, if I take a square common, in the bracket I'll have 1 minus cos square theta, which will give us sin square theta, right? So can I write here? Yes. So P1, P2 equals to b square out, a square common, 1 minus cos square is sin square theta, plus this is b square cos square theta whole upon b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, which gets cancelled, exactly same thing. And here I get P1, P2 equal to b square. So देखा आपने, this is the final proof that the product of their respective distances is b square. So what I did, I simply used this formula, got P1. Similarly, I got P2, multiplied them. Some heavy terms are appearing, some root, some theta, right? So keep patience, write correct thing only. Do not make any error of plus minus. Chance of error is there. So do not make such error. Your answer will come very easily, very smoothly. Keep patience just. Right, students? I hope you must have got it. Don't know whether you are writing simultaneously with me or you are not able to follow. No issue in any way. Please note the hints and please complete the solution yourself perfectly. Please write in the notebook perfectly. Okay. Anyone whosoever watches that solution must be able to get the things. Let us move towards the next question, which is 24th question. Someone please read. Tanmay, Meena, will you read 24th question? Tanmay? Yes, Tanmay, please. Oh, 1 minute, Tanmay, can you repeat the equation? 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So there is a person who is standing at the crossing of these two roads, right? Yes. What is the other equation? 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Yes. So person is standing here and he wants to reach at the path whose equation is 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. In the least time. Okay. Least time means he should follow the shortest path. Okay. Next. That he should follow, right? So person should follow the least path. Least path will be the perpendicular path, perpendicular line. Let it be q. So figure, let us draw. Any suggestion, Tanmay? I have to get the equation of PQ. This is our target. The first thing is that person should follow the shortest path. Which is perpendicular to line number 3. If this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, then PQ must be perpendicular to line number 3. So, any suggestion from anyone, students?
So first we can solve equation 1 and 2.
Correct. We will get P coordinates after that.
So we will form an equation of the perpendicular line to Q with the points P in it, and
Yes.
we'll find the equation.
Yes, you should know. Yes, very right. You should know that PQ equation can be written by using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So for this we need a point. That point will use P, and the slope we need. तो slope line 3 का slope निकाल लीजिए, है ना? पहले line 3 का slope निकाल लेते हैं, which will be minus a upon b, which is 6 by 7. So slope of perpendicular line m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon 6 by 7 minus 7 by 6. Slope is ready. Now for p. p के लिए मुझे इन दोनों को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. Solve. 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and the other one is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. I think I have to give a multiply. In this I am multiplying 3, in this I am multiplying 2. चलो मल्टीप्लाई तो करना ही पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. Yes, so first equation will become 6x minus 9y plus 12 equal to 0. Second one will become 6x plus 8y minus 10 equal to 0. Subtract minus 17y plus, स्टूडेंट्स चेक कर लीजिएगा कैलकुलेशन में से बहुत एरर होती है, इक्वल्स plus 22 equals to 0. Y equals to 22 upon 17, and to get x I have to put 2x minus 3 into 22 upon 17 plus 4 equal to 0, which means 2x equal to 66 upon 17 minus 4. This will be how much? 17 4 is 68. 66 minus 16 minus 2 upon 17. So x equal to minus 11 upon 7 minus 1 upon 17. Okay. So here I get the point of intersection. I got x and y. So P is equal to minus 1 upon 17, comma 22 upon 17. Now P is ready. Slope was ready. So equation of PQ. Slope कितना निकला था students?
minus 7 by 6.
Minus 7 by 6. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is, give a simplification and almost done. So to simplify, how to simplify it? Shall I multiply with 17 throughout the equation? I hope it should work. So multiplying it with 17 in both the sides. This will give me 17y minus 22 equal to minus 7 by 6 into 17x plus 1. I think I have to multiply with 6 also. Cross multiply. 17 6 ja, how much? 102. Y minus 22 into 6, 132, equal to minus 17 cents 119, x minus 7. All the students please check the answer. I am getting 119x plus 102y equals to 132 minus 7 kitna? 5, 125.
125.
Is this right, students? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Correct है? Please check and verify.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So आपने देखा करना क्या था? तो heavy numbers से मत आप परेशान होइएगा, है ना? Numbers में भी heavy in multiplying, no issue. You be confident, keep doing, you will get your answer. So overall, if you see, if this picture is clear to you, that person was standing at the junction of two roads. There was a third road. He wanted to reach that road in the shortest time, least time. Least time means he should not go, he should go in the straight shortest way, which will be the perpendicular line PQ. So PQ equation was to find that m2 इक्वल टू -1/m1, मैंने इसका स्लोप निकाला, पॉइंट p, दोनों इक्वेशन का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट निकाला, y minus y1 इक्वल टू m, x minus x1 यूज कर लिया. So that's it. This was the last question of the exercise. 24th question. I'm open for all the doubts, all the confusions. I request you all that, my dears, that please share your confusions with me, share your doubts with me. Thank you.